Alright, so I'm back. This is gonna be harvest video number 11. As you guys can see way down there, my grandpa and his brother are just about done with the first number, with this first number of corn. The second number is all that down that way, all the way down there. So I don't know what their plan is. I know they're heading to another farm after this, I think, unless they're gonna stick around and do the entire thing. I don't know. Yeah, yeah. So yeah. So yeah, they're done with from over there to over there. So I don't know what my grandpa's brother is gonna do. I think it's either he's gonna continue on with it, or if we're gonna have to, or if they're gonna pull out of here and go to I think Myrna Stroggy's place. So anyway, so I don't know what they're gonna done. Can't fit no more. Yeah. I think what they're gonna do is I think they're gonna head off and go dump. So anyway. Yeah, so I guess that's it for this video. Later, guys.